In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can import an XLR CSV file in Postgres. Now the first thing you want to do is ensure that you save your Excel sheet as an CSV file. So you select File, Save As, select your location, and ensure your save as type is CSV, right? Save, yes, I want to overwrite it. Yes. So all in this sheet is just some countries and the date modified. Now the next thing you want to do is connect to your Postgres instance and ensure that the table exists. So here in my test database, I'm going to create a table. Let's execute a query to ensure there's no data. Let's highlight and execute. No data. So let's expand tables. Right click on the table that you want to import the data into. Then select import export data and ensure that the import option is selected. Then browse for the location of the CSV file, open, select OK, and my import has been completed. Now let's execute the select statement to validate that data. And that's basically it. Our data has been successfully imported. So the first thing that you want to do is ensure that you save your data as a CSV file. Then you are going to create the table within your database with the same columns that are in your CSV file, and then you go ahead and run the import. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.